Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and today I'm going to talk about Powerline. So here I have a Tenda Powerline. This is the AV1000. I picked this up because I didn't want to run a Cat 6 or Cat 5 cable from my router to here. That would involve staples, drilling holes through the walls and the outer wall of the house out into the garage. I didn't want to do that, so I went with the Powerline setup. Now, this Powerline is not set in conjunction to being on the same circuit in the house, so it actually has to jump breakers. So I'm getting about a loss of 30% off of my true internet speeds out here using the 1000. Now, if I wanted one-to-one, they say the 2000 works a lot better, but I'm using the 1000, which is giving me enough internet speed out here to stream, watch Netflix, send email, and surf the web. If I was doing file transfers, I'd probably go with the LAN cable, the Ethernet cable out here, but I'm not planning on doing any large transfer of large files from here to there, from computer to computer. Tech support for this is horrible. The guy had a bad Indie accent. I couldn't understand a damn word he was saying, and I'm sure he couldn't understand any of my English. So, and I think I speak pretty good English. I don't have any accents, I don't think. Even though I am not white. So I do not have an Asian accent, or I don't have a thick Native American accent. I don't think. Again, you could tell me if I'm right or wrong, I don't know. So, after talking to that guy, and after about 40 minutes of discussing to him that I was not getting any connection from my router to the transmitter. He kept trying to have me sync up the receiver. And this is what I'm going to call the receiver. And you can go whichever route you want to go, but I'm going to call this the receiver and the other part the transmitter. Because it's transmitting the signal, the Ethernet signal, from there to here. So this section has two LAN cables connections underneath that you can plug into, and it's Wi-Fi. I'm using the Wi-Fi section of this because, again, I don't want a bunch of cables all over the place. So the Wi-Fi works just fine for me out here. Again, it's set up behind this clock, kind of hidden back there. And again, I'm like I said, I'm losing about 30% of my internet speed or transfer speed. And this, I don't think that's bad at all. Again, some people would want one-to-one. I'm losing about 30, so I have about 70% of what my speeds are. And I'm not going to do any speed tests because I don't need it. That's not what this video is about. Again, it's basically explaining how I got my internet to be into this black hole of a spot or dark spot of internet in my residence. Again, after talking to this guy and him not understanding a damn word I said, he was like, well, I'll call you back in 2 hours. And I said, no, that's not going to work for me. Because again, that's my time. I'm talking to you on the time that I'm available. I don't want to be talking to you on a time that I might not be available. So finally, I just hung up on him. Found out it was just a cable that went from the router to the transmitter. Once I changed that out, everything worked fine. It was basically plug and play. To set up the information inside this unit, I couldn't get onto this unit through my computer, but I could get onto it through my phone. So I had to set it up through my phone, set up the network name, password, so I could lock it off so people could just get onto the internet through an open access. So now it's locked, everything works fine. Again, tech support sucks. So if you're gonna have problems with this, I wouldn't call tech support, I'll tell you that. It takes time to figure it out yourself. Or get someone that's more tech savvy to come over and help you out with that. Again, power lines are offered by pretty much all the manufacturers like Netgear, DT or D-Link, TP-Link, all of them. Pick the one that's going to be best for you, but this is the one I'm using, is the Tenda. I'll post a link to the this unit to Amazon. Again, it's not an affiliated link. I'm not going to get any money from that. Any links in my videos, I'm not affiliated, and I do not get any money from any of those links. When I post a link, it goes directly to that place. Again, I don't need your money. I don't want your money. Don't care about your money. So, and when I talk about a product, I'm not selling the or trying to sell the product for them. I'm just talking about a product that I bought and that I'm using. So, again, internet works fine for me out here now. I'm happy with it. If you have a dead spot in your house and you need your internet to be somewhere else, and you don't want to run a big Ethernet cable through your place, the power lines might be the viable option for you. Now this one here has the Wi-Fi version and the non-Wi-Fi version. The non-Wi-Fi version comes with the transmitter and the receiver and 2 Ethernet cables. This one again only came with 1 Ethernet cable because I don't know why. They could have gave you 2 Ethernet cables, but since they figured you're going to use the Wi-Fi section of this, they're not going to give you an extra Ethernet cable that would have probably cost them, what, 2 cents. But, okay. Again, this is the Tenda PowerLink. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.